klase yan? Lahat ng gobyerno, 4 na araw. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, 4 na araw. Ang private company, wala ngang tapang na magsara kahit 1 araw sa nervyos dahil ang sama ng kalagayan natin. Bakit kayo 2 days? Ang DOE, 2 days lang. Tama ba yun? Parang wala kayong urgency sa katawan, ayos lang. Can you please explain the rationale for this madness? At nagagalit ang tao, 2 araw lang kayo magtatrabaho sa harap ng krisis?
Mr. Chair, work from home doesn't mean that we don't work, ma'am. We work every day. We meet every day, even in weekends. We haven't stopped actually for 8 weeks already.
Yan kasi
Hindi po-
sinabi ninyo kanina na yung i-accelerate yung approvals. Ang daming nagre-reklamo. Wala daw silang mahagilap sa DOE, PNOC for the approvals of contracts, for the approvals of different projects. Walang tao. 2 araw lang. Di nila alam kung sinong papasok, sinong hindi. Doon pa sa 2 araw, kalahati lang daw papasok. 50% daw yung memo ninyo. Bakit ganun? Kayo inaasahan. Namamatay na yung tao ng gutom, hindi na makapaghanap buhay. Wala nang ani, wala nang pagkain. At ang DOE ay nagbabakasyon. Tama ba yun?
Mr. Chair, hindi po nagbabakasyon ang DOE. I mean, we work from 8 to 8 in the evening, doing meetings and doing everything that we can do just to keep our country sufficient in supply and monitor the prices. All of them are working even harder now than we kahit ano.
Dapat lang po, dapat lang. But how does DOE manage the crisis if half of its personnel is away? Kahit i-zoom mo pa yan nakatakot-takot, kung nangangalahati lang at 2 araw lang, yan lang talaga maaasahan. Anong klase yan? Lahat ng gobyerno, 4 na araw. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, 4 na araw. Ang private company, wala ngang tapang na magsara kahit 1 araw sa nervyos dahil ang sama ng kalagayan natin. Bakit kayo 2 days?
2 days, ma'am, because we are aware that we have to save energy and electricity in this. From the get-go, we wanted to
Sa
push.
sobrang saving naman ninyo, Secretary Garin, hindi naman yata tama na walang pumapasok yung mga oil stakeholders, lahat ng umaasa na makabili ng mas murang langis, walang mahagilap sa DOE. Wala raw katao-tao sa PNOC. Wala daw tao sa ERC. Ano ba ito?
Mr. Chair, the bureau that's OIMB, that's downstream, that's there all the time, even on weekends. PNOC is there also. ERC is there also. All the personnel na dapat nag-handle ng mga frontline natin, nandyan, Mr. Chair. Those that are not in the office are continuously working. These are all, we have had a system of e-signatures, and this is not lang. I'm sorry, pero hindi po I mean, you can see naman kung anong pinanggagawa namin over the last 8 weeks. It is not because they are at home and they are not doing anything or nanonood lang ng TV doon or hindi nagtatrabaho. We can show it in our accomplishments, Mr. Chair. Lahat po sila overtime yan. Hindi po nagtigil ang trabaho dahil work from home. The objective of work from home is not to stop working. It is to become more efficient. Ngayon po, we are trying to save for the country para
Hindi ba sinabi ng Pangulo na 4 days? Bakit kayo kinalahati pa yung 4 days? Hirap na hirap yung mga pumupunta sa DOE, magpapapirma sa PNOC, walang tao. Andito section 3 mo Ito, the DOE shall implement a hybrid work arrangement whereby officials and employees shall render 2 days on-site work per week. Ibig sabihin, wala sila doon. Sino naman ang magtatrabaho? Sinong pipirma? Sinong kakausapin? Sino mag-a-approve ng kinakailangan natin kapag ganyan? Kaya pala, pag nagtatanong kami, wala na kayong sinabi, kundi pag-aaralan, ire-review, babalikan, pagmimitingan. Kasi nga, 2 days a week.